Alright, so today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable little Easter egg mug topper. And it's so cute, and it's perfect for Easter, and it's super easy to make. And you don't really need any special tools except for these little molds, which I will link in the description. I got these from Amazon. And if you make toppers, you probably already have these already. If not, they weren't too expensive. I think they were around $10 for 4 of them, but I'll link them in the description. But what I also wanted to show you were the ones that I made last year. These are my other mug toppers. This one is my favorite one. Oops. If you look, you can see that I put little eggs inside the bunny, and I think he's so adorable. He's so cute. He's definitely one of my favorites. Do watch these. I'll link them in the description. They didn't get a lot of views, which was kind of disappointing because they're so cute. And this is the other one I did. And again, you don't need any real special equipment but the bunny mold. And the bunny mold, I think it was around $8. It wasn't too bad. But these are adorable mug toppers, and they're really easy to make. And you can make them so they just come off with magnets, or you can leave them just as be, or you can mold them right into the top of the cup. But I like to make them removable so you can actually wash your cup. But this is the one we're going to show you to make today. I'll link these guys in the description. What do you guys think? I think that's pretty cute. Okay, enjoy. We'll get started. Alright, so I'm going to do another topper. And I've got these resin molds that I got off Amazon, sorry. I'll link them in the description. They have like a hole for the straw, which is helpful, and they fit in the top of the cup fairly well. And then you can hold them on with magnets. You just UV resin the magnet on. I'm not going to magnetize these, but that's what you do. If you need me to show you how to put the magnets on, let me know, and I'll just do a separate video on adding magnets to these toppers, because I'm going to do a whole series of toppers here. So we're going to mix up some, this is going to be a non-UV resin. So we're going to mix up about 20 mil. But I'm going to be doing more than one project here, so this is not going to take 20 mil. Alright, so I've got a bunch of these adorable Easter eggs that I got at the dollar store, and that's what we're going to make this out of today. So I'm going to mix up my resin here, and I'm also going to be adding some very pretty glitter. This is the glitter I'm going to be using. It's from Recollections. It's called Sea Green. So I'm just going to mix up this resin, and then I'll be back when it is stirred enough. Alright, so my resin is mixed, and I'm just going to pour some of this into another cup, and I'm going to add some glitter. You can add whatever you want to this. If you want to add dye or anything else, this is when you do it. I'm just going to add some of this sea foamy glitter, and I'm just going to mix that in. And then we're just going to pour this into our mold. It's that simple. Alright, and now I'm going to add my eggs. These eggs are foam, so you do have to seal these. I'm missing the green ones. And if you want, you can add some other greenery or whatever you want to add. I'm just going to do it like this. I think that's going to be cute. Looks like kind of like mini eggs. So I'm just going to let this cure, and then we're going to come back and seal it. So I'll be back tomorrow to seal this. All right, so I'm just going to finish off this egg tumbler topper, and this is a pretty simple, quick one. I'm just going to finish this off with UV resin, and you're just going to coat all of these little eggs just so they're completely covered. And then you're just going to hit it with your UV light. And you may have to do a few coats of this until it's all covered, but just keep doing it until you have full coverage in all your eggs. So cover it, hit it with the UV light, cover it, hit it with the UV light until you're all done. Until all your eggs are covered. And here is our finished egg topper. I think this turned out pretty cute, actually. And this is super easy. You just use the dollar store foam eggs and resin and put it all together, and there you go. Very, very cute. What do you guys think? You like this one? I think it's pretty easy. Thanks so much for watching. I do put out at least one new video every week, so please do subscribe. It really does help. And thanks for watching.